What is good, boys? Well, I did buy this, and I'm already taking it apart. I didn't even show you guys when I first got it, but I'm gonna repaint the whole thing, just hopping in it right like that. Cause why not? This orange this yellow gotta go for sure. I am still deciding what color to do, but for right now, I'm gonna take this thing apart. So let's get to that. And boom, just like that, easy stuff. Got the gas one off and the two sides off. It's a pretty big gas tank, I'm not gonna lie. So time to move on to the front end, get this front end off, then the back end, obviously. I'm thinking about doing red, like a dark red, and then the rest of the cage and stuff like black. That'd be pretty dope, but I can't wait to show you guys how this thing rides. It's so fast. So stay tuned for that. So let's start in the front. And boom. Just like that, the front end is off. Let me zoom out for you boys. Damn. Yes, sir. Let's just put this right here. Just taking it apart for right now. And then tomorrow, I'll obviously paint it. Dude, this is kind of sick though. Just the engine right there and everything. Let me give you guys a quick rundown what this is. It's a LTZ Suzuki, obviously. 400cc. And she's pretty quick. Look how big the engine is. But yeah. There's the front end. Time to move on to the back end real quick. And then I will see you boys in the morning. Gotta take this off too. Alright, this is actually the coolest invention ever. There's like two holes right there. And they go inside these two holes. Now this is some funny ass shit. I did not know these things had like an actual air filter. Like cars use these. That's pretty funny. I'll probably get a brand new one of those too. But yeah. That's kind of crazy. Bada boom, bada bing. And there's the back end all off. Let's put it up here and show you guys what the go-kart, what the four-wheeler looks like now. And just like that, last piece of the puzzle is off the four-wheeler. Look at this thing. What the fuck? Kind of looks dope. Looks like a Banshee now. But yes, sir. I will see you boys in the morning once we get some paint for that, and then we can touch some of that stuff up too with some silver paint. But yep, she's looking good. Let's go. I am back from the Woodward Dream Cruise. This is the color. It turned out sick. Now we gotta do the rest, but the Dream Cruise was absolutely crazy. So many people turned up. There was races. You know, obviously we didn't do any of them. Nah, I'm just playing, but we're gonna see how this looks, and then we're gonna carry on with the rest of the thing. We gotta sand all of them down, but let's just put this on and see how it looks. This color is just so sick. And I did go around, clean up everything. Even the sides are all clean now. And then the back, of course, I showed you guys, I think, already. Super clean. It just turned out super good. I did the back of this too. Zero rust on here. I'm just happy that she looks all good now. Just by so far, I already had a huge glow up. And don't worry about this. I'm still gonna wipe that off, obviously. I still gotta wipe that stuff off, but besides that, this thing looks mint. I'm super glad how it came out. Hell yeah. Just keep running away. I'm not running. video, boys. If you guys did like it, make sure you guys drop a like and everything. Next video is going to be a banger. I do not know what next video is going to hold because we got to do a little bit of engine mods to do to it. And as you can see, I was like practicing my wheelies up and down here, right? And right when I stopped wheeling, I was like, all right, I'm just going to head back home now. I pull in right here. All I hear is boom. I'm like, oh shit, make sure it's not my engine and shit. But look, it was my chain. I was like, you gotta be kidding me. So, gotta get that fixed. I already ordered it. I ordered a bunch of things for this. So stay tuned for that. I will see you boys in the next one. Peace out and see you guys later.